Welcome to another video. I'm out with SED, so it's Southeast Detecting, and yeah, we're in an area just on the borders of Kent and Sussex. So I'm not going to show too much because it's at their request. I'm out with the Manticore 9-inch coil and my new spade. Alright, first hole, 17-19. First hole. Tough. That's a bit iffy now. Not very deep either. Possibly a bit of foil then, or button. No, just a it's a bullet. It's a bullet, 2-2 bullet. First hole. 63-64 now it's open. That's that. Bullet. Another bullet. Probably 303. I would have thought. There you go. Just up. That's where I've just got it out of. I've just got a bag seal. It's got MG. Yeah, got a lead bag seal. Right in between the cars. So there's one lot of cars. And there's the other lot of cars. So yeah, little bag seal. Happy with that? Happy with that indeed. I'll put you on, I've just seen it. Very thin. I think that used to be part of a necklace. Looks like there was a loop there. Not sure what it was. It's a pendant of some sort, I think. I might be wrong. Yeah, I don't know. It certainly looks like it had a loop on the top there. But I just don't know what it was. Can't make that one out. No, can't make that one out. That was a 25 solid. Possible horse mount, leather mount, or whatever I should say. Something used to go on leather. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think so. I think it's a mount of some sort, rather than a keyhole cover. I would say that was a part of a mount. Goes on leather decoration or something. Belt mount of some sort. Maybe. And there you go. Whilst you're on, I did get something earlier. I thought it was a button, so it's not filmed. It transpires it may be a coin. Maybe a coin. So there you go. Possibility. No guarantee. But it's round. That's the main thing. It's a little bit heavy, so could be a coin. Sod off. Oh dear, another bloody ring pull. Can't believe it. There's either bullets, bullet casings, or ring pulls. Oh, it's got a 303 casing. Can't see the date, but yeah, 303 casing. Oh, I've turned you on. I think it's a coin. I don't think it's a button this time. It's a coin for definite. Not sure how old that one is. Very green, so it could be a farthing. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to go with a farthing in the middle of nowhere. I don't think it's a penny. Yeah, it's farthing. It's 18. I think it says 1861. So Queen Victoria. There you go. A Vicky farthing. It's 1860 or 1861, something like that. So yeah. Yeah, 1861. There you go. Little bunhead Vicky. It looks like I might have just got another farthing. Turn you into the light. I'd say so. Farthing, yeah. And it's another Vicky. There you go. I've literally only just dug the other one. So let's see what but probably about 30-40 feet away there from here. Right, what date do we have? We have I don't know, 18. What's it say? I think it says 1865. Something like that anyway. There you go. One more Vicky farthing. $20 to $22. 20 to 22. I'll show you the whole dig this time. Right, it's out. Is it going to be a bullet then? Rather than anything else. Oh, you can see it there, whatever that is. What is that? Yeah, it's a bullet. Absolutely knackered one. What? That's not a bullet. What is that? It's the tip of something. Looks like the tip of something. It's not a bullet. It's totally wrong shape. So yeah, it's the tip of something. I don't know what from, but it's the tip of something. And there you go. Right then, end of the day, out with SED. Yeah, not too bad. I got a couple of coins, so I didn't blank. I got a lead bag seal and lots of bullets and buttons. But yeah, very enjoyable. So thank you, Richard, for the day out today. Much appreciated. If you guys got this far, even better. Thank you very much. It's only a short video anyway. Don't forget, I've got LP code OPS10. But there is other ones out there as well, so if you want to use one of theirs, that's fine. But yeah, thanks a lot for joining me, and see you on the next. Thank you very much. Bye.